Homophones. They are words that sound the same but are different in meaning or spelling. I hope you'll learn something new today. If you do, why not subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates? Find the correct spelling based on its meaning. Put your thinking hats on and let's get started. Number 1. To permit someone to have or do something. A. Allowed. B. Allowed. Time is up. The answer is A. Allowed. Number 2. Any of various swift, gnawing, herbivorous mammals. A. Hare. B. Hare. Time is up. The answer is B. Hare. Number 3. A line of people who are waiting for something. A. Queue. B. Queue. Time is up. The answer is A. Queue. Number 4. A thrusting or cutting weapon. A. Steel. B. Steel. Time is up. The answer is B. Steel. Number 5. A flat or level surface. A. Plane. B. Plane. Time is up. The answer is B. Plane. Number 6. Something used to slow down or stop movement or activity. A. Brake. B. Brake. Time is up. The answer is B. Brake. Number 7. Owed or owing as a debt. A. Due. B. Due. Time is up. The answer is A. Due. Number 8. A strap fastened to a bit by which a rider or driver controls an animal. A. Rein. B. Rein. C. Rein. Time is up. The answer is C. Rein. Number 9. Only or single. A. Sole. B. Sole. Time is up. The answer is B. Sole. Number 10. Highly valued. A. Dear. B. Dear. Time is up. The answer is A. Dear. Number 11. To fly aloft or about. A. Soar. B. Soar. Time is up. The answer is B. Soar. Number 12. To cause to be constructed. A. Build. B. Build. Time is up. The answer is B. Build. Number 13. A group of rooms occupied as a unit. A. Suite. B. Suite. Time is up. The answer is A. Suite. Number 14. A strong alkaline solution. A. Lye. B. Lye. Time is up. The answer is B. Lye. Number 15. To refrain from pressing or enforcing. A. Wave. B. Wave. Time is up. The answer is A. Wave. How did you get on? I hope you've learnt something new today. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.